Over 600 mines across 6 continents use Strayos to automate surveying workflows and improve operational decision-making every day. We use our mining experience to help these users not only capture and process their drone data, but also to turn it into real production increases and cost savings all along the mining value chain. Strayos is a surveying, design, monitoring and optimization platform all in one place, built specifically for mining. We handle end-to-end drone mapping services and then provide a range of mining-focused AI modules directly on top of those survey models. These include haul road assessment, high wall analysis, rock mass characterization, post-blast analysis, cut and fill volumetrics, and stockpile inventory tracking. The base of the platform is our custom-built Photogrammetry Engine. Users simply upload a set of overlapping drone images through the browser to start the modeling process. Our Photogrammetry Engine then takes these images and uses computer vision techniques to identify key points visible across multiple pictures. It then uses the relative positions of these points to generate a 3D point cloud and topographic surface with centimetre level precision. The processing algorithm can ingest RTK or PPK GPS data, or automatically detect ground control points to ensure full survey grade accuracy. The 3D model can be viewed as a point cloud or as a textured surface with all the visual information from the images collected. This can be used to quickly perform a range of measurements and volume calculations. In addition to the 3D model, the platform also creates a set of 2D orthophoto layers, which can be used for further analysis of elevations, slopes, and contours. All of these features and visualizations can be accessed through the browser and can be exported for use in any other CAD software. Once the model is processed, a whole range of other AI modules can then be applied to make automated pit assessments. These functions are switched on during the upload process and are then ready to use without any additional human work. Firstly, the haul road AI detects haul roads throughout the pit and automatically measures features including grade, width, camber, and berm height. It can highlight areas of the roads where it sees potential issues, allowing engineers and supervisors to address them early. The platform can also overlay truck sensor data to correlate metrics like driver performance, fuel consumption, and tyre wear with haul road parameters. Secondly, the high wall AI can automatically detect the crests and toes along every bench and measure features including bench height, catch bench width, bench face angle, and inter-ramp angle. These provide a quick visual indication of any areas that are beyond thresholds in order to ensure site compliance. Rock Mass AI uses the visual information in the exposed bench faces to automatically detect jointing and bedding planes. It can be used to show dominant joint set directions on the 3D model and also mapped to a StereoNet view. Finally, our post-blast AI scans each muck pile to automatically measure fragmentation particle size distribution, as well as a range of muck pile movement outcomes, including cast volume percentage, back break, and muck pile height. As more blasts are surveyed, these measurements train AI prediction algorithms, allowing drill and blast engineers to identify the optimal blast design parameters for achieving the best performance. In addition to the automated AI features, the Strayos platform also includes a suite of mining-focused tools for streamlining planning and engineering work. Engineers can use the cut and fill tool to quickly see how material volumes are moving around the site over time. Each flyover can be compared with previous surveys to quantify where material has been removed and where it has been added. Comparisons can also be made with design files to check for compliance against pit limits or to measure how much material remains to be extracted. Planning teams can use the stockpile management tools to measure volumes, tonnages, and values aggregated by material type across multiple sites. The system can also track and report on the changes of these metrics over time for each stockpile. Strayos brings this powerful combination of mining features together in a single platform to create value in a wide range of ways. The transition to drone-based surveying brings significant efficiency benefits by being easier, faster, and more accurate than traditional methods. This is a critical enabler for rapidly scaling operations, as it removes major bottlenecks in the mining process. Drone surveys can be conducted up to 30 times faster than laser scans and can require 95% less manual processing and analysis time. This results in up to 80% labour cost savings and frees up teams to focus on higher value-add tasks. This efficiency also unlocks the ability for mines to survey much more frequently, providing insights that enable better operational decision-making on site. For example, real-time knowledge of stockpile levels ensures there's always feed for the plant, preventing unplanned downtime by up to 50%. As another example, early detection of haul road issues can improve tyre life by 5% and reduce fuel burn by 2 to 3%. The implemented operational changes also improve safety and environmental outcomes on site. The usage of drones removes personnel from hazardous situations, while the AI insights can be used to prevent road incidents, fly rock, and slope failures. Optimization of hauling and milling operations provides equivalent reductions to unit carbon emissions, allowing sites to scale up output while maintaining the same or a reduced carbon footprint. At Strayos, we pride ourselves on forming deep, long-term relationships with our clients. We work with around 100 customers at over 600 sites across the world and are proud to provide 24/7 personal support to everyone. Our product development is 100% customer focused, and we're always excited to co-create solutions to meet the needs of our users. We exist to lead the mining industry into a smarter, safer, and cleaner future. We hope you'll join us along this journey.